Bitter melon, also known as bitter gourd or Momordica carantia, is a tropical vine from the Cucurbitaceae family. It produces elongated, warty fruits that are green when unripe and turn yellow or orange when mature. Its bitterness comes from compounds called cucurbitacins. There are several varieties of bitter melon to consider. Bitter melon faces several pests. Aphids weaken plants, control them with water sprays or insecticidal soap. Whiteflies cause yellowing, use yellow sticky traps. Spider mites create webbing, increase humidity, and use miticides. Cucumber beetles damage leaves, hand-pick them, and use row covers. Common diseases include powdery mildew, which appears as white spots, improve air circulation, and apply fungicides. Downy mildew causes yellow spots. Remove infected leaves and use copper-based fungicides. Fusarium wilt leads to yellowing. Rotate crops and use resistant varieties. Root rot results from excessive moisture. Ensure proper drainage. Prune bitter melon by removing dead leaves and stems. Pinch growing tips to encourage branching. Train vines to climb supports with soft ties, improving air circulation and fruit quality. Harvest bitter melon 70 days after planting while still green and firm. Use a sharp knife to cut the fruit, leaving a small stem. Store in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. Bitter melon can be stir-fried, stuffed, added to soups, juiced, or pickled. Each method offers a unique way to enjoy its distinct flavor. For poor germination, soak seeds and maintain moisture. Address yellowing leaves by checking for pests and adjusting watering. Prevent fruit dry.
If you have limited garden space, growing bitter melon in containers is a viable option. Select large containers with a capacity of at least 5 gallons and ensure they have good drainage. Use a high-quality potting mix enriched with compost or organic matter. This will provide adequate nutrients and ensure proper drainage for your bitter melon plants. Follow the same planting and spacing guidelines as for garden planting. Provide support structures for the vines to climb, ensuring they have enough space to grow. Container plants may require more frequent watering and fertilizing. Monitor the soil moisture regularly and apply a balanced fertilizer every 2 to 3 weeks. Prune and train the vines as needed to manage their growth and encourage fruit production. This will help keep your plants healthy and productive. Companion planting can improve the growth and health of bitter melon. Good companions include legumes, marigolds, radishes, corn, and herbs like basil, mint, and dill. These plants attract beneficial insects and repel pests, enhancing your bitter melon's growth. Hey everyone! If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you next time.